More and more countries have discovered that protecting nature may help to create jobs. These gamekeepers in Uganda take tourists through the jungle to show them the mountain gorillas. The tour company TUI has realized that tourism must rely on unspoiled nature and supports the training of gamekeepers and excursion guides in national parks. Thus, conserving biodiversity safeguards sources of income for the local population and for the tourism company. Destroying nature brings money to a select few for a short time, but in the long run it harms all mankind.